In the Auto VJ tab, this is the scheduled mode playlist. Here you can select the videos to show at the desired time. So, for instance, if you wish to construct a playlist with specific programs on specific days at specific times, this is the playlist you'd use. In this tab here, the central part, you'll see your playlist configuration. So you can see and choose the start time and minute of the video. So for instance, I want the video to start at 1:17 p.m. Just leave this video here. If you want to grab more videos, I'll make other settings for several videos. You can simply grab the videos and place them into your playlist. You can also make your playlist uniform by sequencing one video after another. For instance, I want this video to start right after the other one. Just grab the video, drop it here on top of these three dots, and you're good to go. It will start right after the prior one. You can do this with several videos in a large sequence. See here? This happened because instead of dropping it on top of the three dots, I dropped it on top of the other video. So what happens? If I take this video and merely drop it here in the middle instead of on top of the three dots, it'll give me the option to replace the video with this other one. So by clicking here, I can replace that video with this other one. Inside the three dots, if I click them, I will have some options. I could view the video that will be played. I can remove this video here. Here I can adjust the display time, and here I can move the video. And here on the left, we'll have the backup playlist, which is simply a safety feature for your transmission. So any potential problem with a video in your playlist, an audio issue, a video glitch, instead of displaying a black screen at that time, this backup video will come on as a safety measure. We'll also have day configuration up here. Today, for instance, would be the 30th. So I've set up this playlist as I want. I can come here, click save, and it's done, it's saved. Now if I want to duplicate this broadcast day to another day, I want to duplicate it to the 31st, to the 32nd. You can duplicate a day, a week, or an entire month. For instance, I have a week set up here from the 27th till the next 27th, so you can copy an entire week. If you want to copy an entire month, you also have the option to duplicate an entire month. And also we'll have the JMV content tool here, which is simply a few short videos that will aid in filling out your playlist. So first you need to select the platform, the news category, and that's it. The news from the category you chose will be displayed. Then just drag it here and it's ready for use.